What size?
I don't know. The one in the middle. I don't speak French. I would also like a mocha cookie crumble frappuccino blended with cream. Get it right or I kill you. Just kidding. You'll get canceled for that. Greetings, Ethan.
Hi.
That's for me. Thank you for this very much.
Yeah, and give it to me.
I like the tats on your arm. I don't know what they are. Are you single?
No.
No, she's not single.
This is Achmed the Dead Terrorist.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what you ordered, right?
That
Achmed?
is exactly what I wanted.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Do you have cash?
I don't have any money. Are you kidding? Look, you think I got pockets? What the hell?
What's up, guys? I'm gonna try and get out of here. Welcome to the Supercar Blondie channel, where we do some crazy shit. That was so much fun. I'm just gonna go for it.
Ah, so refreshing. It is the drink of the infidels.
Is this strawberry or blood?
Don't touch the drink.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, blood is not blood. What is wrong with you? Women always think the worst of me.
You know, I see that you tried to pick someone up at Starbucks. That didn't really work out for you.
Was that on camera?
Yeah, it was.
Oh, she was very cute. She had the very hot tattoos.
Yeah, she didn't want to have anything to do with you.
Silence! Okay. She did.
So this is Jeff Dunham, everyone, with Achmed the Dead Terrorist.
Yeah. Do you like my ride?
I love your ride. Is this actually your vehicle?
My daily. I used to say I kill you, but you've changed it. I have changed it now because no one is scared of I kill you anymore. Now I say I cancel you.
Oh!
Yes.
So Achmed, when are you performing next?
We are going to be touring a lot in the next year or two.
Where do you go to find our tickets?
Oh, to jeffdunham.com. Dunham, Jeff Dunham. I don't like saying ham. By the way, you know I am not Muslim. You know that, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
I just recently found that out. Are you based here in LA? Is
Well,
that where...
there's a sticker on my ass that says made in China. So,
All right, so we'll just go from Achmed from China.
yes,
All
that's
right,
it.
and this one, are you going to drink this one as well? This
Yes,
is...
that's the decaf. Would you like to share it with Achmed?
Sure. I would love to, Achmed. All right, see you guys in a minute. All right, here we are. Jeff Dunham, everyone. This is so exciting.
Oh, this is great.
If you guys don't know this, Jeff is a massive car collector, and you've got everything from movie cars to like cool, you know, stuff
I explain
like
it like this. When you look
Yeah.
at somebody's iPhone or their
Yeah.
whatever phone, when you look at the music, you can usually never figure out that person because everybody has a little bit of something on
Yes,
there, right?
and that's your car
I
collection.
bet you have rap and country
Yeah.
and a little classical on your phone, right?
Yeah.
That's the way my car collection is.
Okay.
You walk in the warehouse and you can't really figure it out.
This is actually a real Scout mobile.
This one was built in 1965, and
Wow.
they built them from like 51 to 71 or something like that. But they used them until 91, and the British Army used them, and then all the Commonwealths had them. But
Right.
it is, by the way, street legal. We made it street
Isn't
legal.
that mad?
Yeah.
It's actually so.
So,
And
yeah.
look, and this is a real license plate,
Yeah.
you guys. Achmed. On the original, these would have been all real.
Yeah, grenade launchers, smoke grenade launchers, a 30mm Browning machine gun.
Yep.
And again, this is all fake now.
Yeah,
And
right.
of course, all the ammunition, that's all still in there, of course.
Yeah, of course it is.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Psych!
Look.
And this is called a periscope. You can shut this thing completely.
For a scout vehicle, these were the ones that ran up in front of everyone else, right? To just
A
scout what
reconnaissance.
was happening.
It was a reconnaissance.
Yeah. Reconnaissance.
In English, please.
Reconnaissance.
Reconnaissance. It'll go up into 4 feet of water. You can submerge the engine, and the engine is a Rolls-Royce engine. It's a straight 6. It's 130 horsepower.
Yeah. The top
Fe-
speed is what, 60?
They say 60. Honest to goodness, my buddy Matt and I were going in the middle of Los Angeles. It was an open road, and I'm gonna see what this baby can do. And Matt was up top. Must have gotten up to 70 miles an hour, I think, in this
What?
thing. And the brakes aren't that great. Talk about armor.
Come on,
Just
yeah.
feel the weight of this thing.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, wow.
And there's
Here
the
we go.
snorkel.
Oh, wow.
right?
Okay, yeah.
So the snorkel goes over there, and the air intake's way up there.
Now, the first thing Jeff said to me is do not put your arms in these
Fingers,
holes, or
too.
fingers, anything, because it is so heavy that if it comes down on you, it's like a guillotine.
This is where you don't want to put your fingers.
Oh, yeah, you'd lose a few
That's
fingers.
solid here. I've owned this for years, and I could not figure out what this thing was.
Yeah. What is it?
Think about it real hard. You'd never guess it.
Okay.
The ends come off.
The ends come off.
There.
And is it a
now
whole-
it's ready to do what you're supposed to do.
It's an extension of the periscope.
It's to hold your antennas.
Oh!
Up there. Here.
Oh, so elegant. You've done this before.
So again, you'd sit right here with this thing closed. Your periscope is here. You're looking out here, and you got your gun. So now I can move the gun up and down,
Cool. Oh, mate, now we're talking.
and then to make it rotate,
Yeah.
you unlock it.
No, come on. That is too cool. How cool do you feel right now? Even the sound effects are coming, yeah, of course. You just can't help it.
You want to try it?
Yeah, all right, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah. This is so cool, you guys. What?
How much do you think? Something
You know,
like this,
yeah, it's-
still working, fully functional, everything's great.
200,000?
That's it. I would have said 120, something
Yeah.
like that. You can easily find these things. If you pay more than 45,000, you're paying
Really?
too much. Yeah.
All right, so what's cool is this is like an upside down steering wheel. Is this?
Yeah. So it's a little weird when you first start driving it because
Yeah.
it is. It's upside down.
Yeah.
And this is something we as Americans didn't know. I didn't realize that's where the show Top Gear got its name.
What?
Because there's first, second, third, fourth, and
Top.
Top Gear.
Ah, okay. That's a cool little fact. And this obviously is brake, right?
That's the brake.
We've got the turn signal light to show you
Turn
when you're
signal
turning.
lights, the start button.
This one?
Start button, yeah.
Yeah.
Push it now. Reverse camera because you can't see behind you.
No.
We added a fan.
Very cool. Awesome. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Massive thank you to Jeff Dunham. If you can't go to his live shows, which are coming up very soon, I think Netherlands is your first stop, is it?
Yeah, and then we have the shows all over England and then back all over the US. So
Yeah,
a
so
lot coming
everywhere.
up.
But if you can't make it in person, you can go check out his latest shows on Netflix. I'm going to do that as soon as I get home. Thank you, Jeff, so much. It's been fun. Thank you, guys. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
watching.
Nah.